inside-out meniscal repair is widely preferred for its strong and reliable fixation. This video presents the inside-out meniscal repair instrument set. This compact meniscal repair set includes tools for preparation, suture guidance, and needle passage. It is autoclave compatible and arranged for quick intraoperative access. Single and double lumen guide sleeves enable controlled, zone-specific suture placement at multiple angles. The single lumen guide sleeves are available in straight and curved configurations with the following angulations: 10-degree anterior horn, 20-degree mid-body, 30-degree posterior mid-body, 40-degree posterior horn. The double lumen guide sleeves allow controlled, parallel passage of sutures for placement of vertical mattress sutures. The set includes a curved probe for tear assessment. The knot pusher enables secure extracapsular knot tying with controlled tension. A meniscal rasp and a meniscal curette to freshen tear margins and stimulate a vascular healing response. The sleeve bender allows minor intraoperative customization of sleeve angulation. The needle pusher advances the repair needle smoothly through the selected guide sleeve, ensuring accurate suture placement. ArthroKI, a product range by RK. Quality you can trust.